Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create pivot table on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data and this is report of sale in a company, and I'm going to create a pivot table for it. As you can see guys, here I have big data. And to make the data analysis become easier and become faster, I'm going to create a pivot table for it. So if we want to create pivot table, we need to select our data like this. Wait. Okay, you can select all of the data, include the header, and then you're going to go to the insert menu and then select the pivot table. And you can choose from table and range, and you can choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. You can choose either new worksheet or existing worksheet, and I'm just going to choose new worksheet and click on OK. Alright, and then here we can customize the pivot table. You can choose the data you want to display. For example, I'm going to analysis the report of sale per month. So I'm going to select month right here for the rows. Okay, and then for the column, I'm going to choose the buyer. I'm going to, oops, sorry. I'm not going to choose buyer. For example, I'm just going to choose code for the column. I'm going to place it code on the column, and then I'm going to place the volume on the values because I want to know the total volume per month and per code. And this is the result guys. And this is for the grand total. And wait, I'm just going to remove this code from the build. If you want to remove something from the field, you can just click on remove field like this. And this is the sum of the volume per month. You can change the value if you want. You can go to the value field setting, and here you can choose sum, count, or average, or minimum or maximum. It's up to you. And let's try average. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create pivot table on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.